Hey there, in this video I will show you how to create 4K images with Manus AI step by step. Here, in order to do it, watch to the end to know everything. Now to do it, what you do here is to click on this plus icon here. Now what you do now is to click on upload files here. Now go to the folder where you save the image you want to turn into 4K. Here like this. And here you can see the image I want to turn into 4K. Now here what you do now is to click on it. Now here what you do here is to use these two prompts in order to get it accurately. Now here the first one is to set it to 4K, and the second one is to set it to the dimension you like, or the dimension you want to use it, or the dimension you want the 4K to be. Now here first type this prompt like this, type it like this. Here let me paste it. All the prompt I use here is in the description section, so check it. Now here paste it. Now here is what the prompt say: upgrade this image pixel to 4K image originally when checking it. Now here what you do now here is to click on send here, this up arrow icon here, click on it. Now wait for the Manus AI to do its work. Now here as you can see, the Manus AI is thinking, it's upscaling it, and it is changing it to 4K resolution here. Now here is the 4K resolution. You can see how Manus AI enhance it. You can see here. Also you can here remove the background. Also here you can edit it. You can see here. Also here you can upscale it more here. You can see now here is the result here. You can see how it upscale it. Now here use this second prompt to set it to the dimension you want. Here let me use the second prompt here like this. Tap this second prompt here. How this second prompt work is to expand or compress the dimension and still maintain the 4K resolution. Now paste it here. Now add this to the prompt. You can see the target width, you can see the target height here. And here send it by clicking this up arrow icon again. Now wait for the Manus do it work. Now here you can see the work of the second prompt. It changed the dimension here, you can see it, and also keep the 4K resolution. Here you can see it. Now you can download it by clicking on it like this, and then here click on this downloading icon here. As you can see, it is downloading. As you can see, it have downloaded here. Here you can see the 4K. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now check out the playlist in order to know everything on how to use Manus AI. See you there once again. Peace.